Welcome to our ultimate guide to the most enchanting Christmas decorations that will bring the magic of the season into your home. Whether you're decking the halls or trimming the tree, we've got 15 fabulous decorations that are sure to impress. And remember, you can buy all of these fantastic items using the links in the description below. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Lego Christmas Tree Toy, priced at just $43.99. This adorable set not only serves as a beautiful decoration, but also provides hours of fun for the whole family. Next, brighten your space with the Toodour Christmas ladder lights with Santa Claus for $39.99. These whimsical lights are perfect for adding that festive glow, creating a cozy holiday atmosphere. Looking to make a big statement? Check out the large Christmas decorations outdoor yard for $89.99. Make your home the talk of the neighborhood with these stunning displays. Add a touch of elegance with the Styleonme decorative bells for $21.99. These charming bells will ring in the holiday spirit wherever you hang them. Count down to Christmas with the Christmas Advent Calendar for $20.99. Each day reveals a new surprise, making this a delightful tradition for families. Bring joy to your yard with the KOOY 8FT Christmas Inflatable at $64.99. This inflatable will surely be a highlight of your holiday decorations. Looking ahead to 2024, our Advent Calendar 2024 is available for $19.99, perfect for those who love to plan ahead. Hang up the BHD Beauty Christmas Stocking for $36.99, ready to be filled with treats for your loved ones.
I'd like to introduce to you this especially fun and festive collection of Christmas stockings. This collection of Christmas stocking comes in several different colors, including white, blue, green, and red, and has a body made from velvet. The top cuff is made of rabbit fur, has a soft interior lining, and of course comes with a sturdy hanging loop for displaying over the fire, mantelpiece, or really anywhere around the house. Each of these stockings has a 3D style design, utilizing either extra thick stitching, faux fur, or an ornament like this scarf or doll to create the effect. As a final note, each of these stockings can be personalized with a name of your choice right here across the top cuff, making these a wonderful and unique gift for family, friends, or loved ones this holiday season.
Create lasting memories with a personalized gingerbread house for just $22.99. Customize it for a sweet holiday touch. Another stunning addition is the 7FT Christmas Inflatable decorations for $49.98. Perfect for impressing your guests. Don't forget the 6 inches Shaking Gingerbreads Christmas Ornament 2024 for $15.99. This cute ornament adds a playful touch to your tree. Organize your festive goodies with a set of 3 Christmas decoration boxes for $39.99. Keeping your decorations tidy has never looked so good. Welcome guests with the vintage Merry Christmas banner for just $10.99. A classic decoration that spreads cheer. Add a touch of winter wonder with the Snowflake Christmas Bell 2024 for $25.99. Perfect for capturing the essence of the season. And finally, the SH Archon 106 Christmas Balls Ornaments, set for $39.99. With a variety of colors and designs, this set is ideal for giving your tree a stunning makeover. That wraps up our list of must-have Christmas decorations. Get ready to transform your space into a winter wonderland. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to purchase your favorites today. Happy holidays!